understand what is regional synthesis now? I'm taking you through the textbooks, okay? जो books हैं, I'm taking you through that. So that, if you cover these range of topics or terms, you'll have no problem. So what is regional synthesis? Basically, a type of integration approach, study of interrelationships between diverse elements. Okay, synthesis matlab man environment based integration. Synthesis mein we also use the idea of the totality of the landscape, which is human aspects that modify the natural aspects. This is descriptions of causal associations. Okay. And synthetic approach, Varenius ka tha. Synthetic approach was also applicable to Kant. Synthetic approach, organic unity of man and environment. This was Humboldt. Richthofen, synthetic approach of Ratzel, of Vidal. And the new synthetic approach, of course, I forgot Hartshorne. So, what is synthetic approach? Varenius ka special geography, Kant ka Ganzit, okay. Richthofen's idea of chorology, Ratzel's idea of man-environment relationship, Vidal ka bhi man-environment plus possibilism. This is about areal differentiation. And the new synthetic is the new regional, जिसमें culture आ गया, जिसमें feelings आ गया, जिसमें geosophy आ गया. I hope you remember the term geosophy. Do you? Studying geography from the perspective of all people involved. So if you write this much, you understand what is regional synthesis. This is something like Carl Saur's approach. Okay. Synthetic is also description of causal associations. And who are the people who talked about this approach? Varenius, Kant, Ganzit. Ganzit is something like natural unity, organic unity according to Humboldt and Ritter. Do you know what term they had used? Zusammenhang, hanging together, yes. Richthofen's chorology, study in terms of chorology, take up an area. So Richthofen ka chorology in some ways is very similar to Kant. It is very similar to Varenius. Ratzel ka, this is about the man-environment relationship. Man impacts environment, environment impacts man. Hartshorne's areal differentiation. The totality includes both natural and human. Okay, forest bhi hai, tribes bhi hai, land bhi hai, agriculture bhi hai, farmer bhi hai. Okay, you have the seas with the fishermen and the boats and the coastal landscape. The totality of landscape is both natural and human aspect. ठीक है, this is एक तो कार्ल सौर बताया, एक और नाम है यहाँ पर, the totality of landscape, compage of Whittlesey. ठीक है. Okay, now come back to the textbook. What is regional synthesis? Regional synthesis is page 26. It is delineation of different types of regions, is a core area of geography and the main concern of geographers. Synthesis is a popular area of investigation in human geography. The physical and the cultural phenomena are not uniformly evenly distributed on Earth's surface. Therefore, delineation of region becomes proposition. The consensus of definition of synthesis was given by Ackermann. Ackermann, he talked about geography as synthetic. This technique was adopted by Feynman. You remember Feynman? He gave us that circle. Geography is anthropology, biology, physics, chemistry. The diagram that we have, sociology, social issues, Page number 11, confluence of geology, sociology, history, economy, we have biology, meteorology. Okay, so geography is all of this together. ये वाला एक एग्जाम्पल डायग्राम है, एक और एग्जाम्पल भी तो है डायग्राम का. पेज नंबर 28 देखो. बुक माजिद हुसैन. 1, 2, 3 regions, the mountains, the climate, the plants, animals. So if you study like this in one region, you synthesize. This is synthetic. The next page. Look at the last 4 lines. The geography has its own area of study, which may appear to be in nature of encroachment upon other disciplines. Because of this peculiarity, geography is regarded as science of regional synthesis. Geographers attempt to synthesis of physical and cultural phenomena within an area to study the unique features of a region. I forgot this. That इस points में आप add कर दोगे. That ये जो synthetic approach है, it also includes study of a region as an unique entity. What is this concept of regional synthesis? ठीक है? You can conclude this one on this line, the new synthesis.